Static screams on the air tonight. Neon hearts in a digital fight. Wires home with a secret code. This is the pulse where stories explode. Hack the stream, let it glow, let it burn. The future's live and the tables turn.
They say you're not done yet. Stay true to yourself, stay hard.
Breaking the grid, breaking the flow. Global beats where the circuits go. Urgent loud, rewrite the sparks. This is the news of the neon hearts.
Today we take the big step forward. We start a journey built on trust, vision, and innovation. Quantum Edge DAO is here to change the game, and this is only the start.
Static screams on the air tonight.
Okay, good morning, Quantum Edge family. Welcome back to another powerful day of building the future together. So whenever you're turning it, wherever you're turning it from, whether it's your home, your office, your node in the network, remember this. We are the ones who writing how the digital world connects. So let's rise, let's move, and let's build with us, with the Quantum Edge DAO family. And for those who are joining us for the first time, welcome to the Quantum Edge DAO, the decentralized internet, the digital infrastructure company founded by our CEO, a visionary who stood tall when the system tried to shut us down. And again, we thank that each team that we got shut down from banks, and we are doing now, we are creating a company, the decentralized internet. We're providing an internet. So if you want to support us and know more about us, check out our website, quantumedgedao.net. So I'm the manager here. My name is Miraz, your host and community lead. So every day we are proving that no bank, no centralized provider, or no censorship can stop innovation. And our community treasure wallet is live and transparent, built for growth, connection, and reinvestment into the people who power into the movement. So if you want to support us and give some Solanas maybe for the project, to push the projects, you have a Solana wallet address under my video on the stream. And if you want to support us, you can donate that. And again, our community treasure is under my video, and we are rebuilding the network, and this time decentralized, fair, and unstoppable. So yeah, and again, at Quantum Edge DAO, our mission is simple: empower every individual to connect, earn, and build without permission. So we believe the internet should belong to the people, not the corporations, not the banks, and not the gatekeepers. And when they tried to silence us, we didn't back down, we didn't give up. We get back stronger, we come back, and we are decentralized now. So every line of the code we write, every single we broadcast, every token we mint, it's all a part of the same vision, like a freedom through connection. And we're not just running a company, we're loading a movement that ensures access, transparency, and opportunity for everyone and everywhere, wherever like you are, in China, in USA, in Asia, in Europe, wherever, whenever, wherever you are, you can become a Quantum Edge DAO family member. And so to everyone out there building, learning, and believing, stay focused, stay fearless, and remember, Quantum Edge DAO is in a place, it's a mindset, and together we are the edge. So again, that's pretty all for the intro for this stream. I hope you guys doing okay. We have some viewers right now on pump.fun, 9 viewers. That's pretty solid.
Awesome.
And hope you guys having a great Thursday.
What a
And-
wonderful intro. Thank you, thank you. It is Thursday
Yeah.
already, huh? The week went by so fast.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable. Yes, guys, we're here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody, all the viewers, all the watchers. It should be a busy day. It's a pretty big day. A lot of announcements. As Miras said, we're working on a lot of things. We are decentralized. We've been shut down by the banks. That's why we taking everything decentralized. And we'll tell you a little more. We have a little more announcement this week. I'm actually gonna announce this super breaking news. A lot of people are already reaching out to me online right now in the chat group, saying they're watching the stream when we're launching things and stuff like that. But stay tuned. We will be launching a lot of things. But as Miras said, we had to go decentralized just for us, for the community. If you want to be truly invested in something, Quantum Edge DAO, what does this mean? We're internet company, we're telecom company, we're technology company. And when we say decentralized, we don't just mean decentralized. Since we got shut down by the banks, by this, by that, we had to rebuild ecosystem and build something new. This company is truly can be owned by anybody out there, by people, by humans, by communities across the world. It doesn't need to be just in America or here or there. You guys literally, if you want to be part of decentralized internet, because we're going to be across the world, right? And if you really want to be part of our team, because right now what we're doing, and the reason we're saying we don't want anyone to buy our token, is because we're buying our token. And true company, actually, like the young generation right now that trades a lot of memes and everything, they don't really understand that. They think, oh, this company holds majority of the tokens or this, that, and they get scared because they don't understand what blockchain is really, truly was designed for. Because all they care about right now is gambling on the new pairs, gambling on Solanas, meme coins, and they just do that degen stuff, gamble, 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 and they don't realize, no, the good company is actually the one that's really investing in their own token, the one that's buying their own token. Because what is that creates? That creates value, that creates the team. Like we have the team members that's buying our tokens, we have again community members, supporters. It's almost like the reason it says decentralized is because you really owning part of the company. So when you're buying a token for decentralized company, you really need to make sure, are they decentralized or are they centralized? We truly decentralized. We don't hold any assets, anything in the banks. What we have is truly out there. We have towers, we have locations, we have everything, and we provide internet to different communities across America, right? Different cities, different towns, different communities, and those people, they're our customers. So those customers can start buying Quantum Edge DAO, and it's almost like they becoming part of the Quantum Edge DAO team holders. That's what decentralized truly is. And as you grow, you become more wealthy. As the company grows, you truly investing in the telecommunications, into internet that you can make free, because no one can shut you down, shut us down. So again, I'll have a little more explanation. I'm working on a little bit of script and text and video that I want to talk a little bit more about this, and we'll make that into like a separate video, and we'll roll it maybe each time while our stream is happening and things like that. But for now, you have us, you have Miras. He's going to give you intro, he's going to give you some pointers, but that's pretty easy to understand, right, Miras, what I just explained to you?
Yeah.
Why do we
Yeah, that's pretty easy. Thank you for the explanation and all the stuff. We are really decentralized. And again, like for all the viewers right now, this is our website. We can see on the top right side, there's like a socials. And on the left side, there's like 4 pages. You see like about, coming soon, and DEX. If you click on DEX on the first page, you're going to be sent to our trading platform, perpetuals platform, where you can connect your wallet, create account, deposit your money, and start trading. Because right now, the altcoin season, like And also like the Trump is giving some big massive noise in the crypto news and all the stuff. So
Yeah, today will be
don't
big.
miss the wave.
It's a
Yeah,
good
don't miss the
opportunity
wave
to
while
make some money. Yep,
yeah.
because everything is down. But be very careful. Yes, guys, we have created platforms and everything. Just trade smart, trade safely. We don't give you financial advice. We just do a lot of chart analysis, news, breakdowns of the market, of the situations. But again, whatever you do, trade responsibly. And don't gamble everything. It is really not a gamble. We approach it as a full-time job. If you really want to be free in this world, free from 9 to 5 work and everything like this, just show up every morning. We do those streams. We do sometimes twice a day, but we're also working on other projects. So sometimes it's hard for us to stream a lot, but we will be streaming a lot more, especially during this bull cycle. Right now, there's a little bit of drama, so we're trying to take a little bit of time in between to finalize some projects and work on other things, because when bull run is happening, we have so many announcements. We will try to do full day streams. I don't know if it'll be 24-hour streams. We'll see how things go. But yeah, the bull run is here. We're getting ready. So let's just dive into Quantum Brief. We have wonderful news. Again, market is up and down, but you guys lock in. And let's start the Quantum Brief with this. Bitcoin falls below 110,000. So this is one last flush out. They're trying to really flush you out of the game. They really want to exhaust you. And who is they? It's big corporations, banks, ETF holders, big companies, because they don't do daily trading like we do. They create platforms. They create big like software or places where you go and trade, right? DEXs, central exchanges, decentralized exchanges, like we have a DEX. But we don't do manipulation. We just created some tools to help you trade honestly and make some money, whatever you want. But again, big companies, they flush you out. All they do is they invest, they buy, and they hold. That's what their game. They're not here to do little trades, big trades. They literally becoming a game designers, and you can become just a user, or you can become a player. You can come in and play like a big boy and do those trades according to like news and big cycles. But what we do the most is we buy and hold. That's what majority of long holders and successful holders and investors do. They don't care about little FUD, little noise, up and down, this and that. They just buy and hold. Doesn't matter if it goes down. What they do, as we told you guys, when it cools off, we don't short market. That's what we don't do. Again, we're not here to do short longs and lose money. What we do, we accumulate. We do trading, but we only do sort of longs or buy and hold. We buy and hold. When it goes up, we sell it, then we wait for the cool off, and then we jump in again, and then we accumulate more and more and more. Or if we don't want to sell it, we just see whenever it goes down, we just buy more and more and more and more. Each time it goes down and down and down, you just buy more. So again, guys, it's everybody has their own strategy. I'm not saying one is wrong, another is right. But we're just doing what big boys do. We don't short, we don't long, we only buy. And the way we trade, like I said, if it goes up, we sell, we take profit, then we wait to, or we watch other assets, other tokens, and then we invest in those, right? So let's move forward. 109,795 is a perfect entry, guys. And it's a final flush out, as you guys can see. Alt season hasn't even started yet. If you look at this graph right here, every rate cut, there was a dump. So rate cuts are happening this week. There's meetings this week, probably today and tomorrow. Powell is speaking, but you guys can see right here in 2017, 2018, rate cuts happen, boom, 451%. Then again, we're waiting all the way for 2020, 2021, again, rate cuts, boom, 436. And again, look how big of a cycle we've been waiting here for so many years to 2025, 2026, and we're right here. So expect maybe just a little more, but this cycle is a little different. I don't think it's going to go down a lot, because everything is shut down. It's perfect storm, how some people say. Everything was created for this perfect storm that we're having right now. It's brewing something that's never been done. It's going to be massive once in the history, in crypto, because all the banks, all the retailers, everybody's jumping in, all the countries, and we'll have some news here to discuss. Trump is speaking today at 3 p.m. So this bull run is not even starting yet. Like, we're about to get going. So lock in and get ready. So look at this.
Yeah, I think some people are thinking that they missed this altcoin season, like it's like too late.
Well,
But in
it's
fact, like it's not
yeah,
even
it's
too
always
late.
those
It's
ones
like
that
only started.
panic. Yep. They freaking out. Oh my God, it's down. But they don't realize, because their vision is so small, they just react to what they see daily. And they don't realize there's big boys, big companies. They actually creating this news, this fear every day. They make money on that, and you got to zoom out and you got to see the big picture. And that's all we do here. We show you small picture, big picture, daily analysis, hourly analysis, which again, each end of the stream we dive into trading view charts, coins, and we will show you big picture, small picture. But look, the massive news coming out. World's first Solana spot ETF launching in Hong Kong. In China, it's already launching ETF for Solana. So that's amazing bullish news, because now big companies, big investment firms will start offering. And that's what I'm saying. Those big firms, they don't do daily tradings. They just buy, their investors buy, and they hold. And then like once every 3 or 6 months, or every quarter, or every year, they sell it. They don't do day tradings. They don't care about that. So you guys can see Solana, and the whole world is about to take off. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, show you that. Your final chance to earn millions this cycle. Not even gonna read full text, because you guys, let's take a look at the charts. Right here, blue circle, then green 4,000%. Then right here, blue circle 7,000%. We're right in the perfect cross, golden cross, the blue circle right here. So much opportunity right now in the next 6 months. It's amazing. So don't be discouraged.
That's crazy.
I have some streamers that I follow. They finally coming out. It took a week for them to really start sharing, start venting, start kind of talking about what happened. And most of the people lost about hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some people lost 40,000. Some people lost $100,000. So don't laugh at those people, because we all here to make money. We all have families, but even they lose, they recover and come back. So imagine the people that give up, that lost like 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000. That means they'll never be rich, because if you already lost that much, I lost a lot of money too in the last couple of years, by figuring things out, by starting things, by moving things. But that's the innovation. You just invest into the knowledge, because look, you go to college, you throw money into the studying, then you come out of college with your diploma, with your paper. If I don't know, each part of the world has different prices, but let's say in America, you have a college maybe program $20,000, $50,000, maybe more, and you come out and your $50,000 is out. Like, even if you invested that $50,000 in the Bitcoin and you sat on it for 5 years or 4 years or 2 years, whatever your program is, you would have come out millionaire. But people coming out, they throwing that 50K away, coming out, and their diploma, it's almost as good as a toilet paper. They cannot find jobs. Nobody gives a shit what school they went, because right now, everything they've been studying for 5 years is in the trash, because everything's just moving so fast. AI, crypto, nobody gives a shit about doctors are losing jobs. Financial advisors will be losing jobs. Pretty much a lot of robotics will be replacing humans. Taxis, a lot of drivers will be losing jobs. So if you're not invested right now in this market, in this what's happening, just because you lost $2,000-$3,000, you give up. That's it. There's nothing else is going to be, unless you out there having a real true food restaurant or coffee shop or something that can create cash. Even then, if you have a way to create a cash, I would suggest you make cash, you convert that, because now what we're going to discuss today, it will show you even restaurants are moving towards blockchain. I'm not going to break that story just yet, but just stay tuned. It's amazing day for something new, And again, I want to thank all our watchers, viewers. If you're watching this stream right now and you want to get an airdrop, go ahead and take a snapshot of this stream, go into our X, post it on our Quantum Edge DAO social, and we will send you airdrop. Of course, don't forget to add your wallet. I see we have about 13 viewers right now, so thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully we're providing good alpha for you, but we're locked in. Anyways, let's move forward. Powell gave a hidden message during the Fed meeting. 99% missed it, but 1% know exactly what I'm talking about. I spent 10 hours decoding what he really said. We don't need to spend 10 hours because we know what's happening. We know they're playing the game. We know they're scaring you. We know each cycle, it happens every time. And if you're really smart people, like he says, 1%, you will see the pattern each year, because they always follow the script. They're not smart enough to really be free thinkers or do things. They're locked in. It's like almost like they're robots. They're programmed to do one thing and one thing only year after year. And you guys can see rate cuts 204 days, and everything goes up during that 200. Then again, rate cuts 212 days in the middle, boom, boom, boom. Look, right here, we here sitting. So next 209 days will be amazing. It's going to be up, 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 up. Of course, somewhere in the middle, like I told you, I shared the super awesome strategy yesterday. We'll try to cover it once in a while. But yes, it's time to wake up, accumulate, shake off your losses, and not to be scared. Again, big boys only club type of deal. If you're not ready, you're not ready. You're gonna whine like a little bitch always and say, oh, I lost, no, I'm done. And then you don't deserve to be making any money. So look at this, bear trap, 2017, all the time, same deal, same patterns, same charts. Then first alt season. Then again, bear trap, second alt season. Then again, we have now here, we're in the third alt season right here. We haven't had that yet. So we're at the bear trap right here. Bear trap right there, as you guys can see. So what's next is going to be this. This is what's coming. As you can see, don't think this is now, because right here, 2026, 2027. So yes, a lot of people predicting, 2026 will crash crypto and this and this and that. It will not crash crypto. Of course, there are crashes during each year. There's ups and downs, and you'll see those people jumping on a stream every time there's a FUD or like this big flash out happened. They'll say, oh, remember I told you it'll crash. It's like, okay, so what? It happens every cycle. You didn't predict anything new here. But don't be sad. Keep up the positive attitude. We only do longs here. We don't do shorts. We're like a big boys. We invest, we hold, and we make money. The Fed will start quantitative easing soon. Parabolic run is coming. Ignore the news, trust the data. There you go. Ignore the news, ignore the people that's panicking, ignore the people that's saying that nothing is going to happen, because here's what happens. 2020, 2021, look what started. And almost full 12 months, we went up, and then we sat here, and then in 2023 we started to come down. Hype is dying. Boom, 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 boom. Now we're at the bottom of the bottom. Like a lot of people saying, oh, we already hit the top. No, we didn't. We're still early. We're still over here, and the party's about to get started. Just in, Solana ETF application, 21 shares, has a form 8A 12B Fed with the secretary after market is closed. So filed with the secretary after market closed. So they already filed the ETF form. It's happening, guys. Hong Kong is already getting ETF approvals for Solana. Now you can see a lot of American companies will be approved for Solana. Look at this. Trump to make announcement today at 3 p.m. A little bit dangerous. We know what Trump does the best. He crashes and his insiders make money. I don't know if his insiders, his family, whatever. But they do tell you buy the dip. But again, they do create this dip and they manipulate the
I
market
think they make
themselves.
that like for fun sometimes.
Yeah, but I think that at some point, like they've done this and Trump crashed the market. Now people gonna be so gullible and they'll be programmed and they say, well, Trump again saying something, he's gonna crash again, and that's when they're gonna pull reverse card, Una reverse card on you and everybody else, because everybody else expecting Trump to crash the market and pretty much kill it, when in reality he's probably gonna pump it up like never before. So be prepared for something huge, guys. Again, we're coming close and close to the up. So don't just follow the trend. Don't fall in the trap that okay, Trump will crash market again. Even if it crashes, what's new. You guys know, but never let the news dictate the way you trade. You might want to just do not trade if you're scared. Do not do longs and shorts. Maybe if you see opportunities right now, you have some investments, maybe buy. Actually, like right now market is down at this moment as we speaking, things went down. Buy it right now before he speaks, so that way. But don't buy everything, buy half and then wait for his speech and then see what happens, because that half might jump up, and if it goes down a little more, then buy a little more when it goes down. Be very smart during the days like this. But again, we're giving you guys a pretty good strategy here every day. As you guys can see, everybody, President Trump to give a big crypto announcement today. Expect high volatility. Means up and down, up and down. So we're preparing you guys. Next golden alt season starts in October 20. So in about 4 days. Again, until then, try to make little by little and then get ready. Rate cards are coming next week. BTC and altcoins will skyrocket. So again, it's pretty much the same charts, but we like to look at them. We like to analyze things. As you guys can see, October 2017, we were here, then boom. October 21, then boom. We're here, pretty much mid-October. Again, 20th will be in about 4 days. Altcoins. Imagine they let you believe that cycle is over, even though total 2 looks like this. So this is about those people that saying, oh, it's down, crypto is down, it's gonna go to zero. Imagine believing those people right now when you're looking at the charts and you know what charts are always doing, cup and handle right here. And then the people that panic over here too, just because there's couple red days, couple red weeks, and they don't accumulate, they don't buy here, they sell and they get out because the fear, and then they miss this. Exactly same thing happening here. As you can see, it's a bigger time frame, bigger chart, bigger cup and handle. Look how small cup and handle was here. Look at how long and this been loading. It's almost like you're loading a game, right? You're downloading a game. And let's say you're downloading it on Xbox or PlayStation. Let's say it's a 60 gig or 100 gig game. And then it reaches like almost 50 gig before you're 60. And then you just shut off your internet. What's going to happen? You might start over. If it's saved, that's great. But you might start over if it didn't save it and then do it again. Instead of waiting and finishing your game. Same deal is here. We're like loading almost 200% here. And then you're going to get out, run. Come on now. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. Just continue to hold and utilize it. Right now, I think Bitcoin is sitting at 111,000. It's a perfect time to buy. As you guys can see, huge announcement at 3 p.m. Again, same chart over here. Trump insider opens a $600 million short right before the speech, 6 hours. So there are people that shorting the market. But again, we don't do that. Look at this giant Bitcoin logo displayed over Austin, Texas. Check this out.
Yo, wait. That is like a Batman signal, no?
That's amazing. People don't realize what's about to happen.
That is so awesome. Started from the bottom, now we hit it.
Oof, I have goosebumps. That's amazing. Anyways, exciting times ahead of us, guys. So look, October 2017, dump. October 2021, dump. October 2025, dump. You guys are thinking it's done, it's ready, it's no way up. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Thank you so much for the comment. Whoever wrote this. Hello, what you're building here is solid. With the right marketing, blah, 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 blah. You see, we have so many people reaching out. Yes, we know that this project is amazing. Our team will reach out
Is that
to
on
you
live
guys.
chat?
That's in our group, the Telegram group. So, yes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for following. Thank you for leaving the message. Again, we are planning some amazing things probably in the next 7 to 14 days. So, of course, we're going to be reaching out to all the right marketing people. So, stay locked in. We will be reaching out to you all, guys, with some time. We're just cooking in our kitchen right now, and when the dish is ready, we're going to deliver it to our customers. Okay, yeah. Bitcoin funding rate on Bitcoin flipped negative this week. Historically, this has resulted in a market bottom and rally. Will it happen again? Of course it will happen again. That's exactly what we're telling you guys. Look, every time there's a bottom, goes up. We're at the bottom. Now it's going to go up. So it's just preparing for such a huge way up. They had to go down a little bit. They had to prepare you guys emotionally for what's about to happen. The wave is gonna, it's like a tsunami. It's gonna be so big, people will have, hopefully not have a heart attacks, but it's gonna be massive. Massive alt season starts in 4 days. Last chance to grab best alts before 200x pump. In 2017, 2021, I turned 255 into 100,000 with alts. Here are 5 best alts. So again, you guys come do research with us. We're going to do it at the end of the stream. As soon as we're done with the charts news, we're going to look into different memes and perpetuals. But again, yes, before the 4 days, you still got a chance to make some trades, accumulate a little more. If you have $100, you might want to turn that into $250. You have $250, you might want to turn that into $500. You have a good opportunity in the next couple of days, and then hopefully you'll catch this huge wave in this alt season. Next golden bull run starts tomorrow. So you see, next 2 to 4 days, it's going to be amazing. Look at this. And it's not going to be small. It's going to be one of the biggest ones. Again, guys, you don't realize how huge. Imagine all 10 years of accumulation, all 10 years to reach this date today, right? Or this week, or this cycle, this year. It's all going to be like skyrocketing from what we've done all 10, 20 years, whatever. Some people saying it was supposed to be reached, decisions were supposed to be made in 2002 actually, but things happened. I'm not gonna get into that right now, but yeah, just expect a huge bull run. Anyways, let's move forward. What else we have? Trump insider controls the crypto market. He manages $711,000, 81 billion. Right now, he's preparing to open a short. Yeah, we know that. They can do that. White House says it's ending all unnecessary regulations for the Bitcoin. So you see how positive there will be no taxes, no regulations. Bitcoin is going to increase dramatically. Look, the senators, Loomis, senators already telling you it is going to increase dramatically. Let's listen to what she has to say.
That President Trump was foresightful enough to have modeling that shows that Bitcoin is going to increase dramatically and then more slowly over time. All of the Bitcoin, meaning 99% of all the Bitcoin that will ever be mined, will be mined in the next 10 years. So this asset has growth potential for the next 10 years that's tremendous. I think the American people should admire the fact that President Trump was foresightful enough to engage in the digital economy. Everyone is going to be involved in this economy in one way or another. And I'm proud of the president for choosing to engage in this very promising component of the economy. Of modeling.
Yes, we are proud of President as well for doing that. Freeing people from banking, lockdowns, shutdowns. That's exactly what happened to us. And we're supporting him in blockchain and crypto systems, ecosystems, whatever he has to do, we're for it. Like I said, we don't even short. That's how much we believe in blockchains, that we don't even make money on shorts, because we don't want to short anything. We're not little kids that here for quick buck, quick trading session, day trading. We're here just to buy and build and buy and build and provide new jobs, new things, new platforms, new product, and just again, buy more when it goes down and sell it a little bit, but we never short. You can take profit. Taking profit, that's not shorting. If it went up, you can sell a little bit, you can sell everything, but you're not shorting, you're not predicting, you're not saying, oh, I'm betting $100,000 that Bitcoin will go down or this token will go down. I'm betting against this. I'm putting it on the bet. It's almost like going to casino and betting. That's what they showed you with this big flash. Stop doing that. Stop putting shorts. Like, they're teaching you guys. They cannot come out and tell you, don't be stupid, don't do shorts, or we're going to wipe you and wipe you and wipe you over and over and over. But again, if you make money, just sell it, and then wait for the cool off and then buy it. Don't do this short bullshit. Just do longs, take profit, and then again, wait for cool off, then do again. But if those people that right now not agreeing with me or saying, oh, he doesn't know what he's talking about, I love shorting, that's where I make my money, that's where I make my $100,000, then go ahead. Then you'll lose that 100,000 again, like every streamer that right now is suffering this week and stressing and worried. Oh, yes, I lost 40, 50, 100K, or maybe millions of dollars. There's some people that lost $2 million. It's because they're gambling addicts, they're shorting the market, and they're showing you, do not short crypto market. You're going to lose. Every time you're shorting crypto, we're going to play with your emotions. We're going to play with you like a little bitch, and we're going to take your money every time because you're doing something against the system that is not supposed to be. So look, Ethereum bull flag is here. So you guys see it's a little bit of flag right here. And then now it's going to go right here. It shows you flag pole, flag channel, then breakout. So it's at the bottom right now. You guys can invest. But as soon as it's going to come in here, break out through this line, and it's going to probably test it, and then it's going to fly. So no time to short. Don't be a short. Don't be negative. Don't be like little bitch mindset and make quick money from shorting. It's not about how much you make. Like I said, it's not about your 50,000. It's not about your 100,000. It's about future. It's about kids. It's about families. It's about ecosystem. You can make money now, but that doesn't matter. You can make $1 million now. Doesn't matter. It matters where your ethics, where your honor stands. What are you here? Are you here to build, or are you here to just make a quick buck and get out? Anybody can make money when it's going down. It's stupid. But can you make money by building something, building good product, building good community, and supporting that and creating jobs and everything? So again, look at this alt season, shakeout 2020, 2021, 25, 26, same deal. Again, there's more. So look, Apple keeps adding new games on their network that take Bitcoin. So that's amazing. And Dogecoin. China Solana ETF launching in Hong Kong. Look at this. Big breaking. A mysterious whale just bought 110 million worth of Bitcoin. So you see 110 million Bitcoin. He bought it. He is not shorting. He just bought it straight up, and he's holding. Biggest altcoin season in history starts in October. You guys can see that. We've seen this. Again, it's a flag pole, a little bit of flag channel, and then it explodes. So you see we're at the bottom at the flag channel. Now it's just going to continue to go up. Look at this. 5 billion payment giant just announced it will accept Bitcoin. 80,000 merchants. It means merchants, 80,000 businesses, 95 countries. Huge. Can you believe that? This ACI company has 80,000 businesses in the 95 countries that will be accepting Bitcoin. 686 billion banking giant US Bank just formed a new unit focused on Bitcoin and crypto. So can you believe it? Now banks realizing, shit, we must start dealing with this. So they created a new unit, like new section for the Bitcoin. Oh, we got our favorite inverse Kramer. So who doesn't know this guy? This guy always says, whatever he says, you must do opposite. So if he says market gonna go up, then market will go down. So I've been saying it how many times right now that Solana will go at least to $1,000, if not more. Look what he says. I don't believe Solana can reach 1K, let alone 2K. That's impossible. So that means whatever he said is actually going to happen. So that's what I've been saying. I said Solana will easily reach 1K this cycle, if not more.
Yo.
But he says it's not. That's how you know it will. So anyways, let's look at the BlackRock real quick. BlackRock is set to unveil a Genius Act aligned money market fund designed for stablecoin issuers per CNBC. So again, you see BlackRock is making huge moves here. Next news is going to be giving you guys goosebumps. So let's watch this.
To check it out for myself. I tried out the only McDonald's on earth where you can pay with Bitcoin. Let me tell you about it. So I've been in El Salvador for 3 days now, the best country in the world. And I was told that for the past 4 years, it's been possible to pay with Bitcoin here. Paying for a McFlurry with crypto? That's unheard of. I went to check it out for myself. It's also a chance to continue our ranking of McDonald's in Latin America, even though I actually prefer the street food here. As usual, there are plenty of options with lots of items you can't get in France. So I'm getting a bit of everything to try it all. As for the price, it's about 25% cheaper than in France. Then comes the moment to pay where you select Bitcoin. Actually, it's pretty rare for people to pay like this here. So we had to wait a bit while they sorted everything out, but it all went smoothly and we could go sit down. The fully loaded tray arrives and we immediately know how much we spent in crypto. We're definitely in for a treat. On the menu, there's a Tocino Smokehouse, a classic Magnifica, some nuggets, Mac Pops, obviously fries, and an M&M's McFlurry. As for his burger, it's something you see all the time in Latin America, so I'm not really a fan, but mine is honestly good here. Of course, they have the self-service kiosks and unlimited drink dispensers. The meal goes perfectly, and we managed to finish everything without any trouble. McDonald's in El Salvador, paid with crypto, gets my seal.
It's amazing. Again, yeah, a little ad for McDonald's here, but can you imagine, this is huge news, right? McDonald's accepts Bitcoin now. What I'm about to tell you guys is gonna be even more bigger. Those who understand the crypto and the people and the players will know how huge it is. So the next couple final news right here is this. Michael Saylor reportedly filmed an episode of Joe Rogan Experience yesterday in Austin, Texas. That means in the next couple of days, this podcast will come out. Who doesn't know Michael Saylor doesn't know what's about to happen. And Joe Rogan is the biggest podcast in the world right now. And if this is going to air, this is going to take the whole world. It's going to be bringing so much views to Bitcoin, to blockchain. Oh, you guys have no idea what's going to happen in the next week or two. So this guy has already filmed the podcast. So it's already been done. Anyways, that's the news for today. It's been a lot of crazy breaking news today. Let's just dive into the charts a little bit and then we'll wrap up our stream. We're at 45 minutes. Usually we're about 45 minutes mark when we dive into the charts here. We go through regular perps first and then we do meme coins analysis. So again, let's start with the lowest, XPL. XPL actually got listed by Robinhood today, I believe, last night. So positive news there. But it's down now. So as we told you guys, if you're doing perpetual trading right now, don't short, right here is good opportunity to do a long, maybe do a little bit of long, and then see if it goes down a little bit more, do another buy. Same with APT. Look how small this is. Let's actually buy a little bit of APT. We like to do those things on the stream and show you guys how we do this. Look, this line, when it fills up, should go down a little bit. So right now, orders processing for Aptos. We're just adding, we're accumulating. We got some buy right here. Now we're buying over here, and we're gonna average cost, dollar average cost, and then make things nice. So we can wait for this order to be filled. There we go, just went through. Nice, you guys saw this live. XPL, maybe we'll buy a little bit of XPL here. Let's do that over here. Boom, that was fast. Let's look at the Sonic. Sonic is a little bit down, so maybe we'll add some Sonic here. Today's good day to buy. It's Thursday. Time to go to battle. And buying, perfect. Went through. Ando, Ando is pretty good. Not gonna get into that yet. Arweave is good. Litecoin is good. We gotta move this. Actually, you know what? Let's get some altcoins. Oh, it is not even non-tradable. We'll add the one that's tradable later. Anyways, we got Jupiter here. Let's add a little bit of Jupiter to a dollar cost average. Boom. Make our line go down a little bit. Showing you guys some strategies. Avalanche, Sui. Sui is in a good position. Let's buy a little bit of Sui, $200. And there we go. Solana is sitting at 187, so it went down. Let's buy a little bit of Solana here. Boom, that's great. Near protocol. Near is pretty good too. Let's do $200 of Near. AVNT. AVNT, we already bought it. It's kind of on the same line, almost. Either wait a little more, or if you didn't buy it, you can buy it now. CRO is a little bit down, but we got plenty invested in there. Made a couple buys here. We'll just chill on that a little bit. Cardano is in a good position. Maybe a couple $100, a little bit in Cardano. H-bar is pretty good. Let's get a little bit of H-bar. Ethereum, let's take out Ether, 3,800. Look, we bought, we sold. Let's do it again. To Ethereum, slowly make couple dollars here, couple dollars there, and take the opportunity. Like I told you guys, when it's down, it's a good time to buy. You just buy, load it up, approach it like a full-time job. We're here now, might as well do some work. BNB, XRP. Also, when XRP starts breaking upwards, that's when you're gonna know things are moving. So we're gonna buy a little more XRP. Add that there because it's super low, super affordable. As you guys can see, if we put a line here, look, it's pretty much retesting this spot. It might go a little bit lower, but we're okay. We want to make sure our line is lower. Good buying day. So look, we bought here, Chainlink, we sold there. We cut that line right there perfectly, right almost at the top. Now we're gonna do a little more here. Boom. I told you guys, we don't do shorts. We just wait for a good opportunity and then we buy. So look at the Bitcoin. We'll do maybe... Yeah, let's do 3,000. It's probably going to take time because, again, Bitcoin is not the fastest. That's why other chains are created. They're much faster. But it's the very, very long-term asset. As you guys know, you buy it and hold it, kind of like gold. That's why it's not the fastest. But there you go. You see how our line was up there, and now it jumped down to here because we cut that line, and we're just adding and adding and adding. And now our line is looking good. Link, we just bought chain link, right? It's already plus $1. That's great day. Again, it's a good day to buy. We got Stellar, XLM at the perfect bottom. We got Aster here. Probably would want to add some things up here to make our line go down a little bit more. Boom, there we go. Then we got Grass. Grass is okay. We're not going to buy anything. Just bought a few days ago there. As you guys can see, tomorrow there are meetings are brewing here. Hyperliquid is good. RSR is good. But we already bought it, so no point to do this now. Because it might go down a little bit more. I'm thinking if it will go down, it at least will go down like right here. 0054. And if it does go down there, we will watch it tonight, tomorrow. And we will buy it. And like I said, guys, we will do much more streams closer now to bull market. Next 4 days are really coming close to the meeting. So expect us to be very, very active online and doing a lot of charts and trading. We'll buy a little bit WLFI. We've made it. We sold it. We're going to buy some more. Great day to accumulate because it's at 13 cents. Almost 14 cents. Then we got stablecoin. Stablecoin is in a good position. I think we've done good on perps here. Let's take a look at some memes. Startup. Startup is at the bottom. Maybe we'll do $100 for memes here. Housecoin. Housecoin we bought and it's up there. We'll let it ride. We'll make some money and then we'll buy it. Pump.fun. I think it's good. It's starting to go up a little bit. Let's add a little bit of pump.fun for today. We'll check on it tomorrow. Lunchcoin. Oof, I cannot not buy that. Look at this entry, Lunchcoin. We're definitely buying this. $700. Good. Still gonna fill it up. We bought it there. Buying a little more here. Look at this. That's Doge. Then we got Mudeng. Mudeng is good position. Then we got Dogelon Mars is in a good position. Unstable coin. That might go down a little more. You guys want to watch this coin if you're following this. Don't buy it just yet. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is in a great position to buy. Maybe. There we go. Made that buy. Trump coin. Trump coin is down, but it's moving kind of sideways. That's okay. We'll let that.
Everything like is still down.
It's not gonna be for long, that's for sure. Look, today what we bought, look, already in green here. Plus $9. Plus, yeah, just bought that. You know, it's gonna go fast next couple of days. So get ready, guys. Pepe, Pengu. That's a good buy. Shiba Inu. Perfect buy there. Bonked. And there's a meeting right here. In a day, in the next 24 hours, there's meeting. Housing statistics, building permits. So there's a lot of housing things, and I think it's gonna be not good for banks and good for crypto. We'll see how it goes. Hosiko is pretty good. Maybe we'll buy a little bit of Hosiko here. Then we got Turbo. Then we got Mudeng. Pretty good positions, guys. Honestly, like I said, this week, like I said, it's some people upset losing money. But if you would not be doing perps and betting like crazy, degens, you can just wait for those opportunities and then a little bit of patience. You know, takes couple days, yes, but then you're gonna be in up. You're not gonna be liquidated. You're not gonna be manipulated by big boys, big firms. Stop gambling. Show up to our streams. Just watch them and do those entries with us. Look at Troll. Troll is in a great position. Might as well buy some Troll. Boom. Because we bought, we sold here, and it went up. We should have held more. Like right now, we're gonna buy it here. If it goes down, we'll buy some more. Momo. Let's take a look at Momo. We'll go back. We'll go faster through those, but yeah, pretty much everything is in great buy position. Biddy was going up, I guess. Labubu went up like crazy here yesterday. Hopefully somebody caught this, but you see, it goes up, then it cools down. So that's when you come in. You could have bought it, sold it, then let it cool off, buy it again. That's how you make it. No short mentality. Stop shorting. There's a lot of opportunity each day. But anyways, this is what we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining our stream. We had, I don't know how many people we had today, but yeah, our streams are getting more and more viewers. We appreciate you tuning in and watching us. Like I said, we'll have more and more things that we're working on. I'll pass it along to our manager, Miraz. Maybe he can wrap it up, and then I'll get back to coding. I think today is going to be a busy day for me. I'm not sure if we have some videos or anything like this. We might be working on some chopping, some little viral news or videos. We'll see. But for now, we're focused on back-end coding and things like that. But Miraz, it's all yours. As soon as you wrap things up, I will end the stream, and I will see you guys tonight. World Pulse will be on for sure because Trump is speaking. We're definitely gonna give you some feedback from what's about to happen during the day, and we'll prep for tomorrow morning. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Yeah, before we wrap out today's stream, remember this. So again, hit up our socials, don't miss out, and stay tuned to the latest announcement and news. And if you want to start trading on our platform, on trading platform, just check out our website and hit the text page, and you will send to the trading platform. And again, remember this: everything we built here at Quantum Edge DAO isn't just about the technology only. It's about the freedom. So every transaction, every idea, every collaboration brings us one step closer to the world that belongs to all of us. If today inspired you, share the stream, join the conversation, join the socials, and keep pushing forward. Maybe it just helps help push this project with us. I mean, we are going to push this project, but if you want to help us, then we'll appreciate that. And this is more than just a community. Again, this is a revolution in real time. And until next time, stay connected, stay curious, and remember, you are the edge. And again, stay focused, lock in for the alt season, and we'll see you guys on next stream. So yes, see you later.